Hi, this is Tom Wheelwright, best-selling author of Tax-Free Wealth and CEO of Wealthability. So under this new proposal from the Ways and Means Committee in Congress, there are some changes to the rates. And some of them are pretty big. Some of them not as big as we might have expected. Let's take the three rate changes that we're seeing. Number one, is corporate taxes. Corporate taxes will now have three brackets. Now remember, this is just a proposal, but it looks like we're going to get an 18% bracket, a 21% bracket, and a 26.5%, which I expect to go down to 25 before this thing's over. Okay, so, but that's the current proposal. And by the way, the 21% is up to $5 million of taxable income. So pretty high limit. This would 26.5%, unfortunately, would make us the highest in the world for most states that have state tax rates. Okay, so this is probably bad, right? This is not so bad, and this is you know, for the 400,000, right? That's what you expect, because that's what Joe Biden promised, was 400,000. Okay, number two, capital gains. This is probably the best news of all, 25%. You go, how is that good news that we went from 20% to 25%? Because we're not talking about 39%, which was just silliness. All right, actually lose money once you get over 31%, according to the Tax Foundation and other think tanks. So 25%, not horrible, still an increase. The third one is individuals. Hold on to your seats. This one's big. 33% goes up to 39.6. That is an almost 7% increase, which is over 20% increase. Remember that when Ronald Reagan reduced the tax rates in 1986, he broadened the base, which means he eliminated a lot of tax benefits. So you can't compare our current rates to to pre-Reagan. That is an unfair comparison. That is apples and oranges. Okay, so you're talking about a much broader base with many fewer tax benefits, including as you know, many fewer deductions. And yet you're increasing that 33% rate all the way up to 39.6%. That's probably the worst news. And a 3% surtax, over $5 million, okay? Nobody's gonna complain about 3% surtax over $5 million. In fact, maybe it should be more. One more, what effectively amounts to a rate increase, and that's on pass-through businesses. These are S-corps and partnerships and sole proprietorships that are now, if you're over that 400,000 threshold, again, that's the target, you could end up paying net investment income tax on your income from your S corporation or your partnership. That's a 3.8% tax. So that's another 4%. So if you're a small business and you're over 400,000, we're going to do a video just on small business, because I got to tell you, this rate's going up. We'll see you then.